Let's get going. First thing we want to do is create our player object. So right click on the hierarchy, create 3D object, capsule. We're just going to name it player. Now click on the object and look in the inspector. At the bottom you'll see add component. Type Danny and the script should come up. Now as per usual, you'll find the script in my GitHub, link in the description. Next, drag our player object into the orientation parameter of the script. Set sensitivity to 200, move speed to 200, and max speed to 6. Set counter movement to 2 and jump force to 300. Next, add a rigid body component. In the constraints dropdown, freeze the rotation on the X, Y, and Z. Also be sure to enable interpolation. Now in the hierarchy, create a new empty game object and call it PlayerCam. Right click the object and add a camera as a child. Delete the existing camera and set our new camera's tag to main camera. On our now parented PlayerCam object, add component, move to target. This will also be available at the link in the description. Drag in our player object to the player parameter, and then launch the game. You'll notice that when running up against the wall, your player will actually stick to it, as if it's floating in the air. The fix to this is actually quite simple. Stop your game, and in the Assets folder, create a new physics material. The name doesn't matter, so I just called mine 0. Set dynamic and static friction to 0, with friction and bounce combined both set to multiply. Click on our player object in the hierarchy and drag our new physics material into the capsule collider. Restart the game and test the stick. The problem is now solved and our player falls when hooked up against the wall. That's the end of this video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you all in the next one.